DigitalBix fashions. Kurtas are an essential part of Indian man's wardrobe, while there are many types of kurtas available in the market. Number 1. Striped Maroon Pathani Kurta. A dapper piece of clothing to be worn at weddings or festive gatherings, this maroon Pathani kurta features a shirt collar along with long sleeves. Number 2. Printed multicolored kurta. An effervescent piece of clothing, this multicolored kurta is something that you should possess if you have an outgoing personality. Number 3. Indo-Western black kurta. A fine fusion of ethnic traditional with sassy modern, this Indo-Western black kurta features a front slit design along with a kohl neckline. Number 4. Traditional brown Pathani kurta. Always in style, a Pathani kurta goes well over denim jeans and even dhoti pants. Grab this amazing traditional Pathani kurta in solid brown color and team it with a pair of dark jeans to elevate your debonair appeal. Number 5. Solid blue Pathani kurta. Blue is the new black. Opt for this blue apparel and make your style quotient even higher. A must-own piece of clothing, this solid Pathani kurta features full-length sleeves and a cutaway collar. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.